Good morning, everyone. Today, we will present our final exam project for the course Multinational Corporations, Global Strategy and Social Responsibility, titled Driving the Future, BYD's Expansion Strategy in Indonesia. In this presentation, we will analyze BYD's expansion through business, government, sustainability, and geopolitical perspective from four different roles. So, as the corporate executive of BYD, I'm Francis Colin Tanubrata, and I will be explaining why Indonesia stands out at the center of BYD's long-term electric vehicle ambition in Southeast Asia. As BYD continues expanding globally, Indonesia has become one of the most strategic markets of our ASEAN growth strategy. Indonesia possesses approximately 42% of the world's nickel reserves, which are essential for electric vehicle battery production. In addition, Indonesia has the largest economy in Southeast Asia, a growing middle-class population, and also strong government support for EV adoption. These factors create major opportunities for BYD to strengthen its manufacturing capabilities and also expand its regional supply chain. For BYD, investing in Indonesia is not only about increasing profitability, but also about supporting the global transition towards sustainable transportation and also green mobility. So, BYD's expansion strategy focuses on building an integrated value chain in Indonesia. This begins with nickel mining and battery material sourcing, followed by battery production, EV manufacturing, and distribution across Asian markets. Through this strategy, BYD aims to improve operational efficiency while contributing to Indonesia's industrial development. The investment may create jobs, encourage technology transfer, and strengthen the country's EV ecosystem. However, BYD also recognizes several challenges, such as including environmental concerns, infrastructure limitations, and increasing market competition. To address these issues, BYD plans to strengthen ESG compliance, collaborating with the government stakeholders and also support sustainable development initiatives.
Representing the Indonesia government official perspective, I am Axel exploring how national policy and investment strategy are accelerating Indonesia's EV future. Indonesia's view the electric vehicle industry as a strategic opportunity to accelerate the economic transformation and strengthen the national competitiveness. Through downstream industrial policy, Indonesia aims to move beyond raw exporting materials and instead develop a complete EV manufacturing ecosystem. The government welcomes foreign investment from companies such as BYD because it contributes to job creation, infrastructure development, and technology transfer. In addition, EV investment supports Indonesia's long-term sustainability goals and green energy transition. Nevertheless, the government also expects multinational companies to comply with local regulation, sustainability standards, and labor requirements to ensure long-term national benefits. Although foreign investment creates a significant economic opportunities, Indonesia must ensure that the multinational corporation contributes fairly to the national development. Therefore, the government maintains authority over environmental permits, labor standards, taxation, and local industry participation. BYD's expansion has the potential to strengthen Indonesian manufacturing sector, improve EV infrastructure, and increase ASEAN trade competitiveness. However, there is also risk such as environmental pressure, over-dependence on foreign firms, and unequal regional development. To reduce this risk, Indonesia continues to strengthen ESG regulation, encouraging local partnership, and implementing sustainable industrial policies.
I'm Evan Abednego Gunadijaya as BYD NGO representative focusing on sustainability and social impact behind BYD's presence in Indonesia. While electric vehicles are often promoted as environmentally friendly solution, the production process behind EV batteries still raises important environmental concern. Nickel mining activities may contribute to deforestation, water pollution, biodiversity loss, and carbon emission if not managed responsibly. In addition, local communities may face social challenges such as land use conflict, labor issues, and unequal economic distribution. As a global investor increasingly prioritizes ESG standard, companies must ensure that their supply chain remain ethical and sustainable. Therefore, BYD expansion should not only focus on the business growth, but also on environmental protection and social responsibility. To reduce environmental and social risk, BYD should strengthen its ESG commitments through sustainable mining partnership, transparent sustainability reporting, and renewable energy investment. At the same time, corporation and government should work together to support local workforce development, community investment program, and stronger labor protection. These initiatives help ensure that local communities receive long-term benefits from industrial development. Ultimately, sustainable development can only succeed when economic growth is balanced with environmental protection and social responsibility.
To uncover the bigger strategic picture, I am Jason Sufano as the geopolitics expert, one to analyzing the geopolitical tensions and regional power shift surrounding Kuwaiti's expansion into Indonesia. From an international business perspective, the global EV industry is becoming increasingly competitive. BYD faces strong competition from companies such as Tesla, Hyundai, Wuling, and Vinfast, particularly within emerging Asian markets. Using Porter's five force analysis, the EV industry demonstrates high competitive rivalry, moderate supplier and buyer power, and moderate threats from substitutes and new entrants. Despite this challenge, Indonesia provides important strategic advantage through resource availability, manufacturing opportunities, and regional market access. These factors strengthen BYD's position within Southeast Asia rapidly growing electric vehicle industry. Using Porter's diamond theory, Indonesia demonstrates several competitive advantages that support BYD's global expansion strategy. This includes strong natural resources, a growing labor force, rising EV demand, and the development of supporting industries such as mining and logistics. From a geopolitical perspective, Indonesia is also becoming increasingly important within the global EV supply chain as a global competition in green technology intensive partnership between multinational corporations and emerging ASEAN economies will continue shaping the future of the electric vehicle industry. Overall, Indonesia has the potential to become one of the key EV production hubs in Southeast Asia.
Thank you for your attention. As BYD says, build your dreams, and through innovation, sustainability, and global partnership, the future of mobility begins today.